Hello grade 5. Today you are going to do the exercise of lesson number 6, the land of dense forest, the Democratic Republic of Congo. So in this chapter you came to know about the location, where it is located, right? And then you came to know about the famous rivers also, landscapes, climate, how's the climate over here, then vegetations. You came to know about the vegetations, what kind of trees are there, what kind of plants grow here, key terms. Then what about the wildlife, which kind of animals, birds are found here. And then you came to know about the transport system. As you know that it is not very much developed area, so they are not very much aware about the good road conductions, or they don't know how to conduct the or how to build the railways. But now they are becoming popular, and these transports are easily available here, and they are moving for that. And economy, how they are surviving, what kind of things are here which help them to survive, how they are getting food, and what kind of crops they are growing, and what is the life of the people, how they are living here, famous language, or we can say their basic language. These kind of things you came to know in this chapter, the life of the Democratic Republic of Congo. So you have done the choose the correct part A. Now the turn for the part B. Answer these questions. The first is, describe the location of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Right? So you have to find out the answer for this question. You have to move for page number 1. Here you can find out the location where it is located. It's in Africa, and it is known as Zaire. So second largest country in the Africa. This is the location of Democratic Republic of Congo. What is the second question? List the neighboring countries of the Democratic Republic of Congo. So for this you can look out the map also, which are the countries nearby the Republic of Congo, and you can read it in the paragraph also, who are sharing the boundaries with Republic of Congo. Zambia is there, Angola, Uganda, Rwanda, South Sudan is there, Tanzania. These all are the other countries who are sharing the boundary with them. Now question number 3, write a short paragraph on the vegetation found in the Democratic Republic of Congo. So you have to go on page number 30. Here under the heading of vegetation you can find out that what kind of trees, what kind of plants, and what kind of climate is here. Did they have the evergreen forest also? What are the meanings of canopy or grasslands? So you have to find your answer from here, and you can shorten it. You can choose specific 3-4 sentences from this paragraph, which is telling you about the vegetations. Then question number 4, describe the life of the people of the Democratic Republic of Congo. How people are living there. For this you can go on page number 31. Under the heading of life of the people, you can choose the specific lines, specific sentences which are describing their lives. Like they are living in mud and stick houses. What is their specific language, how they are populated, thinly or thickly, what they like to eat here, what kind of foods they like, how they are hunting, how they are gathering the food from the forest. So these kind of lines you can choose from here, the life of people of Democratic Republic of Congo. Then last question, write a short note on the economic activity of people of Democratic Republic of Congo. For this you can go again on page number 31, and under the heading of economy you can find the answer, that what kind of minerals found over there and what kind of crops they are growing. So that can be the answer for the question number 5. Short note on economic activity of people of Democratic Republic of Congo. So these are the 5 questions which you have to do in your notebooks for lesson number 6.